Hey guys, so what are you doing? Okay, so my boyfriend and I are out for a picnic at this cute little park that seems very quiet and serene. So let me show you what we made. So we got some Cape Cod chips. These are really good because they're really crunchy. And I have the raspberry lemonade, and he has this strawberry dessert thing, and I have the chocolate one. And then we made ham, pepper jack cheese croissant roll things, and chicken mushroom something quesadilla. Chicken mushroom cheese quesadilla. Oh my gosh, I'm so full. Look at that. Is why I wore one piece instead of a two-piece, but I still look like I'm pregnant. I moved.